Okay, we're almost done. Let's see, now that we are able to perform analysis on our consuming apps build bundle, let's take a look at what we are seeing now when we run the Webpack bundle analyzer and we are pulling in and importing two separate components and displaying it in our app. So right now we're still pulling in the howdy name component up on top, and then the howdy time component down below. And if we take a look at our analysis, we are still pulling in moment.js, which makes sense because we're pulling in those two components. Howdy time component is the one that's using it. But if we take a look at our howdy.js files, and they're located all the way at this corner. So let's take a look at the corner. You'll notice right away there's something different. So before, our howdy components were all in one single bundle, in a single JS bundle. Now we have them separated into libtime and libname. So let us now go back to our file, to our editor. In here, let's get rid of libhowdyname and then pull it out also from our, get rid of howdy time and then remove it also from our app module. And let's see if this gets redone. See what happens. Okay, so we're almost done. And let's go back and let's go over to our browser. Okay, good. We're only using the howdy name component, and what we want to do is we want to rebuild our consuming app. So yeah, we're gonna kill it and run an analysis again. Okay, so our analyze script ran. Let's go take a look at what our bundle looks like. So, okay, so we're only using the howdy name component, and this is our bundle now. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have moment.js anymore. And as far as howdy, where's howdy? There's howdy. Let's get rid of polyfills. I don't need the polyfills. There's howdy. Let's zoom in. What do we have here? We are only using the libname component bundle. All right, we did it. We have split out our UI library into separate JavaScript bundles. Now, whenever web teams are using your UI library and they pull in a module or a component, they will only be pulling in information relevant to that component and not adding any other external third-party packages that are part of the library that will allow for your UI library to not be the root cause of performance issues, and in general, the other people and developers who are going to be using your library are going to be much happier leveraging your UI library and in their web applications. So in summary, we've created a lightweight UI library that's modular and easy to maintain. And I hope that this information has been very useful to you. Please share this video with other developers and friends who you think will find this useful. Please subscribe and like this video. And until next time, this has been Guillermo Arellano with thenomadprogrammer.com. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.